link down below as well if you guys want to check it out. Here we go. We got the Higonokami, right? This is Japanese. You got to speak from diaphragm. Higonokami. I'm actually excited they brought this one to the Tenable lineup. We'll talk more about that in a second. We got the water ripple Damascus dual carbon fiber going on. So you know this bad boy is just getting even more affordable now. That's in the Tenable branch. By the way, you can get 10% off with code Miguel EDC on all these knives, both Kansept and Tenable. Code Miguel EDC for that 10% off. We got a wiping cloth here. We got some paperwork. We got the knife. We got a cushion here so you can make a mattress out of when you go camping. And of course, some silica candy. But all lame jokes aside, let's see. We got bubble wrap, plastic wrap, and here is the Tenable version of the Higonokami. All right, let's go ahead and send it right away. Here we go. Beautiful looking Damascus blade. We'll go ahead and give it a nice little wipe here, clean wipe. We get kind of like a sheep's foot looking geometry there with a flat grind. Got that 12 carbon fiber, which kind of looks like a veneer on top of G10 in a way, right? You can see a little bit darker, lighter black there. Combination. It is a liner lock, and we do have an engagement there about 20, 25, 30-ish%. Good access here to the liner lock, nice and easy to disengage. All right, so that's solid. And then as far as the close, it's going to be a little bit of a shake shutter here. And the only deployment option we have is this unicorn front flipper with some jimping. And I gotta tell you, it absolutely works really, really nicely. It is very snappy. The jimping helps get traction of the finger every single time. Reach around works. Side of the index finger, right? You can do that all day. So very, very fidgety, even though there's only one deployment option. My philosophy is always, hey, if you're gonna give me one deployment option and one deployment option only, please make sure it's actually something that works really good, and that is the case here. We have a deep pocket carry clip, sort of Demco / Benchmade style, right? In a way, kind of reminds me a little bit of a Benchmade style clip, sort of. It's not reversible, something to keep in mind there for lefties after all. And if you're a lefty, there we go. I got 0 dexterity, but you should be able to deploy this knife just right. You do want to make sure you clear the path for this front flipper tab to make room, right? And be able to open all the way. So as long as you're like, say, down here, you should be right. We recently also looked at the Kansept version. This one's a more premium one with 154 cm. And we have the copper carbon fiber going on there, looking really, really good. Some rapid fire measurements here. We got 7 inches. Think like Civivi Elementum Corshall leak. 3 inches on the blade. Actually under 4 inches on the handle, like 3.9. And then we have a cutting path here of 2.75. And I like the fact that you got options. If you want the more premium counterpart, right, you go the Kansept route, or if you want the more affordable one, right, you go the Tenable route.